Hi guys, hi everyone. For the new viewers, please like and subscribe to my channel. And our topic for today is about PWD IDs. Okay, based sa news at saka sa mga social media platforms, ang dami pong nagkalat na fake na PWD IDs. So may mga cons po yan, especially sa ating may mga legitimate na PWD IDs. Kasi may mga instances po na hindi nakaka-avail ng discount yung mga may legitimate na ID. Kasi sasabihin ng establishment fake daw or wala sa database or sa system ng DOH yung ID number mo. So, if you would like to check if nasa system or database ka ng DOH, just go to the site pwd.doh.gov.ph. Ilalagay ko rin po yung link na yan sa description. And ito po yung website. Once you're on the website, click nyo lang po yung ID verification and then enter yung ID number. Remember guys, sensitive po yung search bar. Kailangan ilagay yung full proper ID number, including po yung dash, para lumabas yung result. Kasi, pag walang dash, kahit tama yung ID number mo, hindi po lalabas yung record. So, ang magiging result pag walang dash, no record found. Yun lang po guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!